All right, guys, today we're going to be checking out the Katerk KGG-G3 Ace 3.7 volt glue gun. That's right, for all you crafters out there, this is a battery powered hot glue gun that's going to heat up in as quick as 90 seconds. When I first turn it on, you can see there's a blue light here. This is where your USB Type-C charge port is. On off switch. This is your flip out handle. So it has a nice resting position. You can see that it's insulated around the tip to protect you from burns. It is an anti-drip tip. It's made to ergonomically fit in your hand. It has a nice large lever there for pulling. Now it says that it can heat up in as fast as 90 seconds. So we're going to be testing that. While that's heating up, I'm going to tell you that you're also going to get your manual. You're going to get 15 glue sticks with your hot glue gun. They're going to give you green and blue and some clear ones. Now, mine did come with 2 black ones, but we had an emergency in the house and we had to use those because my daughter had to fix a purse. But super cool that they actually give you a variety of colors for different types of crafts and repairs that you may have to do. So on top of the glue gun and the glue sticks, you're also going to get your charge cord, of course, which is a USB to USB Type-C cord. Now we're going to let this finish heating up. We're going to do a little sample squeeze. The glue that they offer you is a higher viscosity glue. It sticks to all varieties of different types of surfaces. It's also going to be bubble and odor free, and it's a higher viscosity glue, meaning it's going to be thicker when it's hot and doesn't get super runny like some other hot glues do. So let's check this out. We're going to give it a go. You can see that some of that black is still in there. So my daughter left just a little bit of black in there. But you can see that this thing is heating up very quickly. Just in the time that I've been talking, you can see that it is already ready to go already. So guys, if you are looking for a hot glue gun to take your crafts to a whole new level, if you want to cut the cord, if you want something that you can use for travel, if you want something that you can use for on-the-go crafts, I even know that sometimes you have those cosplayers, costume doctors that walk around. This would be great for that situation. If you use glue guns for work and you're traveling and you're not always around power, it's a great thing to have. And it's going to also just get rid of the cord in general, because I know when my daughter uses her glue gun, she has problems sometimes with the fact that she trips on the cord or pulls the cord and knocks the glue gun over, which in turn ends up putting hot glue on her and everything else that it doesn't need to be on. So it does eliminate the danger of a cord hanging off. So I think, guys, that you will be quite pleased with this hot glue gun. I use it for combat robotics because I don't want to have to worry about waiting forever for a hot glue gun to heat up. And sometimes it's hard to find power for a glue gun. So to be able to throw this in our toolbox and not have to worry about plugging it in is a great thing. And overall, guys, I think you're going to love this hot glue gun, and it's going to get the job done. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.